I wanted to make TikTok's green goddess salad, the like viral one, right? But I wanted to switch it up a little bit so it's nut free as well. So we're going to start with the juice of 2 lemons, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. I don't know. I'm just doing like 2, 3, I don't know, just whatever, until your heart's desire. You know what I mean? Like, well, if you like a lot of garlic, add more garlic. And then we're going to do a quarter of a red onion. So we're going to use half a red onion for the whole recipe, but we're going to do half for the dressing part, so it's a quarter. Okay, get it? So then like a quarter of a cup of sunflower seeds and about half of a cup of fresh basil leaves, and then like just a bunch of baby spinach. So I don't know, I think I did probably like 2 cups, and then like 2 avocados, shove those in there, and then we're gonna do a little salt and pepper as well, and then we're just gonna blitz this up till, I want to say smooth, but like till the best of your blender's ability, you know what I mean? And then we have a bagged coleslaw mix, and then I have that other half of the red onion, so the quarter of a red onion, right? You got me? And then I have a cucumber peeled and diced and a bunch of green onions, and then we have the green goddess salad. Mix it up, stir it, got out of hand. Stir it up, put it in the fridge, let those flavors marry, right? And then that's going to make it extra delicious, and holy tits, you guys. I also got these like tortilla chips that have no salt added. Hello, health, right? Just kidding. They're still not great, but anyways, healthier. So, okay, you guys, the crunch is amazing, but also this flavor is different than the avocado slaw that we made with those enchiladas, which you should go watch that video. It is like, I don't know, it's so much better, and it's perfect for the Ravens game, but also this is the real life. This is how I ate it real life, sitting in front of the game, and the tomatoes are great with it as well. Full written recipe linked below.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.